Hello, my dear children. Welcome back our English class. Children, in the last class, we are discussing about the chapter Rightful Inheritors of the Earth. In the last class, we stopped in the point that a cobra entered into Others' house, that is Vaikam Muhammad Bashir's house. A cobra entered. Then Bashir gave a warning to Cobra, you have to better leave his place. After that, Bashir was thinking that the whole earth was taken over by man. Then where could it go? Up to here we are discussed in previous class. So today we are moving on to the next page. My wife said, the jackfruit has ripened. Squirrels and crows are feasting on it. The guavas and mangoes, birds and bats are eating up everything. But that's the beauty of it, I replied. God has created variety of things in the universe. Fruits, edible roots, grass, grain, flowers, water, air, warmth and light. Now, while we are the owners of this land, without a doubt, the birds, beasts, reptiles, and insects too have a right to these things, just as we have. God has made them for all the creatures, and we had better remember that occasionally. Are you saying rats have a rights as well? My wife asked. They don't seem to think we humans have any. They go about as though the earth's belonging to them, she said. So we go around killing them. How sad that we kill rats to let our own life undisturbed. What we need is a new scientific way of living, a new way that helps us to live without killing any living creature. Anyway, I had no taste for killing rats or anything else. While that was so, however, I had to do something soon about our coconuts. We needed them. They formed a part of our daily food. But what could I do? I wondered. While I was still wondering, my wife decided to take things into her own hands one day. She went shopping for 2 hours and brought many things. One was a large tin of rat poison. The poison was mixed with bananas, rice, tapioca, and left everywhere in the compound. In 4 days, 5 hens, 12 squirrels, 200 rats, and a cat disappeared. But the tender coconut went on falling. Everyone now accused the owls. They peck at the tender coconuts. A few months later, however, the real culprits were found out, the bats. After that, we can see that there is a conversation between Bashir's wife and Bashir. She said that the jackfruit has ripened, squirrels and crows are feasting on it. Feasting, which means eating. The guavas and mangoes, birds and bats are eating up everything. The fruits in our land, that is jackfruit, mangoes, guavas, all are eaten by squirrels, crows, birds, and bats. And Bashir replied to his wife, that's the beauty of it, because God has created all the things for not only for us, it is for all the creature in the world. After hearing these words, Bashir's wife got angry and she is shouting that, are you saying rats have a rights as well? Are you saying that rats too have a right in this world? They don't seem to think we humans have any. They go about as they the earth belongs to them. The all rats are thinking that earth is belonging to them only. And she continued that I will definitely kill all the rats in the world. And Bashir is thinking that how can we kill those rats for our own selfish? In the next moment, Bashir decided that I will never kill rats. I will never kill any creature in this world because They too have a rights in this world to live. But I should do something for the coconut because they are the part of our daily food. Without coconut, we cannot eat anything. One day, Bashir's wife went shopping and bought many things. From that, there is a large tin of rat poison. The poison was mixed with bananas, rice, tapioca, and everywhere in the house and surroundings. And what happened then? In 4 days, 5 hens, 12 squirrels, 200 rats, and a cat disappeared. But there never end the coconuts falling. After that, everyone accused the owls. In every day, they peck at the coconut tree. But a few months later, the real culprits were found out. Culprits, which means the real criminal. That is, the bats. Who was the real culprits? It was the bats. Children, this is all for today and thank you.